Hey there, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we're tackling a common problem that many users face when dealing with technology. The issue at hand involves a puzzling situation that can leave you scratching your head in frustration. So, let's dive into this problem and explore the solution together. Now, let's talk about the solution to this tricky problem. The key to resolving this issue lies in a simple yet effective method. By following the steps provided in the solution, you'll be able to overcome the obstacle and get back to using your device without any hiccups. It's amazing how a straightforward approach can make a world of difference in solving tech dilemmas. In a nutshell, the solution to the problem we discussed today involves a systematic approach that anyone can follow. By understanding the steps outlined and implementing them correctly, you'll be able to resolve the issue in no time. Remember, the next time you encounter a similar problem, you'll have the knowledge to tackle it head-on. And there you have it, folks. We've covered the problem, explored the solution, and equipped you with the know-how to address similar issues in the future. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy troubleshooting.